Hey, it's me, Boker the Cry here, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to create a Facebook audience for any part of your email list. So right now I'm inside the Connect Audience dashboard and I'm about to create a new audience. So the first thing I'm going to do is enter a name. I'm going to call it Audience Test, for example. I can, if I want, I can add a tag, which makes it easy to keep track of all the audiences that you're creating. Now next, you're going to select the autoresponder that you've connected with your account. In this case, I, for example, connected my GetResponse account. And now we can actually start targeting any part of our email list. So let's say I want to target people who are subscribed to, for example, a certain email list. So right now I'm targeting everyone who is subscribed to the email list, clients or social. Well, I can then add and or rule. So let me just show you that. So if I do this, let me just select another email list right here. Right now I'm targeting everyone who is subscribed to the email list, clients or social, or who is subscribed to the email list, clients video skin. So if they are on that list or they are on that list, they'll be included in this audience. Now what I can also do is I can also say, well, I want actually people, let me just delete this one. And as you can see, everything is really easy to use. I can also say, well, I want everyone who is on the email list, clients or social, and is subscribed to the email list, clients video skin. So this means that right now we're going to target everyone who is on both of these email lists. So your audience is even more targeted because now you know, like, these are the most passionate people because they purchased 2 of your products, for example. Now, of course, these are just some simple examples. We can also go for, let me just delete that. And let me just say I want to target everyone who's on that email list who has, for example, opened a certain email message. So we can just select any of your email messages that you sent recently, and you can see, you know, target everyone who has opened it, or maybe who has not opened it. So they did get it, but they didn't open it. Or, for example, who has clicked a certain link. And if we're going to do that, you can select the email message and then select the link inside the email. So if you have multiple links, you can even make sure that you can target everyone who has clicked on a certain link inside that email. So the possibilities are pretty much limitless because you can combine all of these. You can say, are they subscribed to an email list? Are they not subscribed to an email list? Have they received a certain email? Have they not received an email? Did they actually open it or did they not open it? Did they click on the link or did they not click on the link? And you can combine that any way you want. You can add multiple filters, for example, and that's really how it all is. And like you see, it's really easy to use. So now let me just go ahead and, for example, create an audience for, let's keep it simple, for people who are subscribed to that email list, and also to, for example, this email list right here. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to publish to Facebook. You have the option, yes. If you agree to the custom audience terms, you're going to select that. And finally, we have an option to, and this is really important and really powerful, to update this audience on a daily basis. So if we're going to select this, you can select the time. You can select any time of the day. And what this will do is it will automatically update your custom audience on Facebook based on the email list. So if we're going to do this, then every single day we'll reconnect your Facebook ads account with your autoresponder, and we're going to check, hey, are there any new people that have been added to any of those email lists? And if they have, then we're going to add them to the custom audience as well. And this means that it's always up to date because we're updating it every single day. So right now, let me just create the audience. Right now the audience has been created, so which means that Facebook is going to update it as we speak. And once it's done, it will show right here. Alright, the audience is now ready for use and you can use it in any of your Facebook ads. So let me just click on view so you can see it inside Facebook. As you can see right here, it's called Audience Test, as we called it. It's a custom audience and it's based on all the people that we just specified in our Connect Audience interface. So let's say I want to create a Facebook ad and I want to send people to my website. I'm going to say, all right, let's send them to upviral.com. Click continue. And I want to target all these people. So I'm just going to enter the name right here, Audience Test, and you can now target to that specific part of your email list. It's really that simple. And of course, you can easily edit any of your audience by clicking on the edit button, and you can just change the rules for your current custom audience. And of course, you can also easily update it, which means that we're going to reconnect with your autoresponder right now and basically send over all the customers that are currently in the email list. So if you just had some people signing up an hour ago, they'll be included as well. And what you can even do is create a lookalike audience, which means that Facebook is going to see and check, hey, which audience is similar than the one that you've created. So based on the audience that you have right here, we're going to create an even wider audience with people outside who are not on your email list, so outside your email list, and you can target those. You can select which country you use. You can select how broad or how precise you want to target, and just click on create audience, and we'll do the rest for you. You can create unlimited audiences with your account, and of course we have all the instruction videos that you need, as well as an in-depth training course as well. So I'm really looking forward to seeing you on the inside, and I'll talk to you soon.
Already know you can show Facebook ads to those who have visited your website using Facebook retargeting. And the problem is that Facebook assumes that every visitor on your site is the exact same, while the truth is the complete opposite of that. And this means that you'll be showing the same ads and you'll be spending the same amount of money to those who, for example, left your site within 2 seconds because they're not even remotely interested in what you're offering, and those who have spent at least 3 minutes on your site and scrolled all the way down on your sales page, for example. And that's where Connect Retarget comes in. Using Connect Retarget, you're able to retarget your visitors based on their behavior on your site, bringing the possibilities of retargeting to a whole new level. Here's how it works. First, you copy paste the Connect Retarget Power Pixel onto your website, which works on any website platform out there. Connect Retarget will then automatically capture all the behavioral data of your visitors and send that over to Facebook. And from this point on, you can then retarget your audience based on things you never imagined were possible, which you'll be doing using our intuitive and easy to use drop-down interface. Simply select your Facebook ads account, enter a name and URLs to target, and select the segment of your audience that you'd like to reach. So let's go over some of the things that you can use to target a specific segment of your audience using Connect Retarget. You can segment based on how long they're staying on your site, for example, as well as how far they have scrolled down on your page, showing how engaged they really are with what you're offering. You can also retarget your audience based on where they were coming from before they visited your website. So, for example, you could show a video ad to someone who came from YouTube while excluding visitors from sites that are known for sending low quality traffic, for example. You can also target them based on how many pages they visited on your site, which is also a great indication of how engaged they really are. And if you want to remind people on a special offer that you recently ran, you can even target those who visited your site during those specific dates, so you know they have seen that offer for sure. And obviously part of your audience will be visiting your site on their mobile phone, so why not target them separately when they're back on their desktop device ready to buy? You might be running various marketing campaigns as well in your business. Now, using Connect Retarget, you can segment visitors from each of those campaigns separately as well. And obviously you can combine any of those to come up with the best performing retargeting audiences for your business. Once you click Create Audience, we'll automatically create a custom audience in your Facebook ads account so that you can target your ads to those people. To make it even easier, we've included a large set of proven audience templates, so you only need to enter the URL of your site and you're good to go. It's that easy. So by now you should understand that this really changes the retargeting game. While your competitors are still trying the one-for-all approach, you'll be running ads to those who are most interested in your product or service instead of spending money on people who aren't even remotely interested in the first place. And you'll be doing it in a much more targeted way than before. Hope you like this demonstration video, and I'm looking forward to seeing you on the inside.